Alright, so where did we stop?
So as Neo
as Neo runs through the city toward another telephone exit, he is pursued by the agents while Centennial machines converge on the Nebuchadnezzar in the real world. Neo reaches an exit, but
Agent Smith is already there and he shoots
you made
him.
me lose my sneeze.
No, I didn't.
What?
No, I didn't. The other two agents flee and Neo returns to the real world in time for the ship's EMP. It's a freaking blooper reel right there. Acknowledge him directly. That's too hard. Do this one. Why would we be?
Predicted the eventual emergence. Morpheus tells Neo that we obviously had a really stupid argument.
We're getting good. Just fresh over.
Oh fuck, sorry.
Alright. Nebuchadnezzar.
Yeah. And
one of these might be, we just have to find it. Don't think about it.
yeah. Okay, we'll do a couple more. A lot more, probably.
Do it longer?
Uh-huh.
Reading it for you.
From you reading under your breath.
That's really good.
It's so funny, but it's making me laugh.
No, I didn't.
I forgot to say what. I'm sorry.
I looked at the camera.
Oh man, that was my favorite one.
No, I didn't. That one was kind of bad. I didn't feel good about that one. God.
Viewed by the agents. I just realized what we were doing. Okay, that was pretty good.
That was good.
One more.